This video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a scuba diving / snorkeling light. If you're like me and you like to snorkel or just kind of dive down deep where it gets a little darker, but you need light down there, I found the perfect solution for you. So this has high brightness. It's got an all metal body. It's got long range. It's drop resistant. And of course, it's 100% waterproof. And let's just look over it here. Let me just open up. I did open it up and kind of look over it because there's some interesting things going on to it here, going on with this thing right here. Let me get this out of here. So let me show you everything you get with it. Number one, you get this little lanyard right here. We'll just open this up. So you get a lanyard, obviously, so you don't drop it. You get 2 O-rings, so they give you 2 separate O-rings. You get a little set of instructions here, but you know what? I went over the instructions. You get a USB-C cable for it. Looking over it here, you know, you're going to run your lanyard through there. And check out, this is what's the most interesting to me. You know how a lot of them have like a rubber push button? Check this out. Is that not cool? Wow, that thing is bright. Insanely bright. So bright that I can tell you right now, holding it up on my skin right there, it's getting hot. And there's a point right there. That's the SOS. Where's that? So that's off. So that's off right there. There's the SOS. Where's it? Okay, you see that point right there? So we're going to look right here. Here's the off. There's the actual light itself, and you can see it gives you a green light right there to let you know how much energy you have. There's like a little lower brightness, and there's even lower brightness, and there's the super kind of like SOS. So that's like SOS right there. See that? That's very bright. Because of the fact that it's made to take on a lot of pressures, you can't have a charge port with just a little rubber casing on it. I want y'all to look at this. So taking this off, you have to unscrew it, and then there's 2 seals right there. But then check it out. There's your USB-C charging right there. That's where you charge at. Is that not awesome? That lets you know that how tough this thing is made to take on, because you couldn't do it with just like a rubber piece down in there. You would end up getting water inside the, salt water inside of it. But then check it out. There you go. See, that worked perfect. This is one of the brightest lights I've seen in a long time. Very impressive. Highly recommend this for anyone that needs, a diving light, or, just needs a good all-around flashlight that's super powerful. This thing feels indestructible too. That's all I got today, everybody, on the, scuba, snorkeling, diving light. See y'all in the next video. Woo!